Hello, welcome back. Today's video is my Allure Beauty Box unboxing. I love doing these videos every single month. I always feel like it's so much fun to see what comes in these subscription boxes. I am excited to see what came for the month of February. Had to think about that for a second. So let's go ahead and get started. If you are new to my Allure unboxings, I do this every single month here on my channel, so subscribe if you are interested in unboxings. I do lots of them here. So I have today the Allure Beauty Box. This is a monthly subscription service. It is $21 a month, and you receive full-size items as well as deluxe size items. This recently just upgraded in price. So originally it was $15 and now it is $21. So I've been a little bit critical the last few months, but I'm hoping for an exciting month this month. So let's go ahead and start with our box. Okay, so we have our magazine. You get these every single month, and I think they're really nice, actually. This is one of my favorites ways that they bring the products to you, because in here they have like lists of all of everything that's like in the box, but also they give you a description on everything, like how to use it, and also they have a little bit on like the editor and why they chose that product and how it's worked for them and stuff. So I do think this part is nice about it, but let's go ahead and start and see what we have. Okay, so first up, this is actually a larger product, which is why I grabbed it first. This is a daily hair cream. It's with sandalwood and it's from Christopher Robin. And it is a moisturizing care, anti-split ends, and anti-breakage. Yes, please to both of those. And I haven't heard of this brand before, but it's a pretty good size. Like, this is definitely a full size. This retails for $43, and it looks like you can buy it at Sephora. I didn't know. I don't know if it's a newer brand. Let me know down below if you guys have tried them. We've never heard of them. So it says it's a silicone-free leave-in with hydrating smooth ingredients like glycerin, apricot kernel oil. Lets me air dry without frizz and puffiness. Ooh, so kind of what she's saying here is that she always had to air dry her hair, but then she got a lot of frizziness from doing that, which is how I am. Like, if I do not blow dry my hair now, my hair will literally, like, at the top of it is all frizzy, the ends are frizzy, like it looks so bad. So I have to blow dry my hair now, which I don't love, because that is adding heat to your hair, additional heat. So I definitely want to find a product that will help with that, so I'll try this for sure and see. So it says apply daily a small amount on damp or dry hair to ends and hairline. So I don't know, I'll give that a try. That's actually kind of exciting. I love finding new hair products. So next in here we have from Amore Pacific. This is a treatment cleansing foam. I always get excited about new cleansers. This one is a deluxe size from Amore Pacific. Again, I see a lot of brands in this box in particular that I've never heard of or that are new to me. So here is what that one looks like. So again, it's just like a deluxe size sample. I'd say you could probably get maybe 4 uses out of this one. So it says use morning and evening, place desired amount into your palms, add water, work into a lathering foam, massage, avoiding eye area. So let's see here the price on this one. So the full size is $50. So it's definitely a pricier cleanser, but again, you are just getting the deluxe size. So one thing I have been a little bit critical of this one is that they're giving us quite a few deluxe sizes still. So even knowing they upped the price, I still feel like we're getting some full size, but we're still getting quite a few smaller items. So far we've got 2. Let's go keep it going here. And grabbing this, we have a product from Floss, and this is a Sheer Lip Tint. I feel like lip tints have been really in lately. Also, like lip balms I'm seeing a lot of. I'm sure it's just because we're all wearing masks and people are looking for like stuff that's more hydrating. So I'm going to go ahead and find the price on this. So this retails for $18. You can find it on flossup.com. The only way I've found this brand is through subscription boxes. So I've seen it in the Allure. I believe I've seen it also in a BoxyCharm. This color is actually really pretty. Here's the color right there. So it's a lip stain, so it's going to be hydrating, but also give you a color on your, like a wash on your lips. So I like brands like this. I know Colourpop has a formula that's really nice. I find them moisturizing, and I like how easy they are, and I feel like they just glide on really nicely. The color is pretty on that, so that again is a full size. Okay, have another deluxe. I feel like this brand is in here a lot. This is the La Roche-Posay, and this is a melt in milk sunscreen. It's 100%, so it's body and face. SPF 100, so that's like a high SPF. So let's see here. Full size is $24.99, but you just get like this small little deluxe. This would actually be nice to just like throw in your purse. I'm definitely gonna save this. Probably throw it in like my diaper bag or something, so that way I have it on the go. But small little, tiny little sunscreen. You could probably get a couple uses out of this. Probably like, I don't know, 2 or 3, I would say, with such a small container. So again, another deluxe, and then we have another little mini right here. It looks like a mini fragrance. I love getting fragrances in subscription boxes. It's one of my favorite things, but I know not everyone is into that. So look at how cute this little bottle is. I love it. I love fragrance bottles. They're just so cute. Okay, so this one, what is this called? It's a Flower Bomb Nectar by Victor Roth. So this one actually isn't in the magazine. I'm reading in the email that Allure did send over. They do send these boxes to me to review, but I'm in no obligation to like give it a good review or anything like that. They just send them to me. So they do send me what's in here. I try not to look at it just because I want to be surprised. I feel like that's more fun for the unboxing. But it does say this is actually a free gift with purchase. So if you purchase Allure box for the first time, this would be the gift you get. So that's why it's not in the magazine. So if you're already subscribed to this, this wouldn't be something you would be getting, but it is a free gift. So it's a Flower Bomb Nectar fragrance. So I like to just know like what actually comes in the box and what is just a gift, because again, if you are subscribed, like that wouldn't be something you're getting. I was hoping it was a little spray, but it's one of those ones that you have to like dump out. So I'll dump a little out here on my wrist. Ooh, okay. I'm not the biggest fan of like musky scents, and that kind of definitely had like a whiff of musk when I sprayed it. It's not horrible, but it definitely has more of like a musky scent to it. So it's not something I would probably wear all the time, but if you're into that kind of scent, it's definitely more of like a mature smell. I prefer more like florals and like sweet smells, so that's kind of like where my spot is when it comes to fragrances. But if you are going to get that, that would be the gift with purchase. And we also have in here from the brand Beauty. It's a resurfacing compound. New brand to me. Again, I've never heard of this brand, so let's see. This retails for $148. So it says that you can buy this on their website. Let's see if we can read a little bit about this. Okay, so it says that this serum has many brightening, smoothing ingredients. It has vitamin C, alpha hydric acids, retinol, clarifying hazel, and hydrating vitamin E. So a few pumps. It says you can use help with tightening. So it's basically saying that this is a retinol product, but it's not going to be like irritating to the skin. At least that's what the editor was saying. So it says apply one pump morning and night to your skin. So actually, I'm surprised that you can apply it twice for it having retinol in there. So it must be like pretty low on the ingredient list, because I feel like retinol is something that you have to just be careful with, because that can definitely be irritating to your skin if you're just putting it in. So anyways, interesting. I've never heard of this brand. It's a pricey brand. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys have heard of them. So that is another product, and it looks like we just have one more in here, and it is a sheet mask. So this is from the brand Medica Derma, and it's a revitalizing mask, 100% pure cotton sheet mask for fresh, youthful looking skin. So inside of here, you just get one mask, and it says this treatment mask helps to supply rich nutrients for fresh, youthful looking skin. And it says firm, brighten, moisturize, and purify. So it's a 20-minute sheet mask. All right, guys, let's add up everything in this box. I want to really quickly see the price on the sheet mask. This retails for $20 for a pack of 10. So you are only just getting one sheet mask, but it sounds like they are pretty pricey, so 10 for $20. All right, so we got the sheet mask. We have the serum. This was a pricey serum. It is full size. And then we also have the hair cream, which I think is the most, like what I'm most excited about, because it sounds like a nice hair cream. So we have the hair cream. We also had the lip tint, which again, this was the color right there. We had the little sunscreen, and then we also had the cleansing foam. So, and then you had the little fragrance, but I'm not going to count that because that is just a gift with purchase. So inside altogether, we got 1, 2, 3 full size, the sheet mask, and then 2 deluxe. So that is what you would be getting for the $21. So it just depends on like your preference. Obviously, if you want to try out that serum, that's a great value because that is $150 on its own. The value is definitely here in this box, but it just depends on like what kind of stuff you're into, if you think this is worth it. I myself am a little bit disappointed because I feel like for a $21 box, I don't know, we got quite a few full-size products, but technically we only got 3. So 3 full-size products plus the sheet mask. I feel like, I don't know, I'm just hoping every month. I told you guys, I'm like kind of getting a little bit disappointed with these Allure boxes because I feel like I've seen them better. And now with the price increase, I feel like they should be even better. Like I kind of like want the palette, like where's the palette? Like I feel like we could have like a palette in here. It's always very heavily skincare and hair care focused, I feel. So I know that's like their thing, but also like I feel like just mix it up a little bit, put a couple other little things in there. So anyways, that is going to do it for my February Allure box. You guys will have to let me know down below what you think of this. I know I always love reading your comments and seeing what you guys are thinking of the different subscription services. I know we haven't been doing the BoxyCharm ones on here. I'm not sure what happened there. I was receiving them in PR, but I have not received any in the new year, so I'm assuming I was just taken off their PR list, which is fine. I can subscribe to the box, but I know you guys will have to let me know down below what you think about that, because the problem is I've done it before, but like been subscribed to it, and then you get the boxes really late. So I know like by the time I'm getting them, you guys have already gotten yours and you're not as interested in what came inside mine. I would totally be down to purchase it, to review it for you guys still. Let me know if that is something you guys would still be interested in watching, but it would be up later because I'd be getting mine later in the month since I'm not being sent it early. So let me know what you think about that. I can definitely subscribe if that's something you guys want to see. Comment down below, definitely let me know. Make sure to subscribe if you love unboxings, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, friends.